Hello everyone, greetings for the day. When I start recording then or that time I start thinking about what I have to speak. So initial few seconds it takes time for me to think about what I have to start speaking about. So I should get some time when and where to start from. And whoever doesn't have patience to stop when I'm stopping, who doesn't have patience to pause when I'm pausing, can simply skip ahead like I do for the videos. When we watch when we want to watch the end, sometimes the end of the video has everything in it. So if you want something faster, then start skipping or use the speed which is already given in the applications, but don't expect such things from humans. They have to improve when it takes time. Okay. Mr. Whatever your name was, and he said me to speak in Hindi. So I would like to tell you and inform you it's that I would definitely speak in Hindi because I speak in Hindi at home, but few constraints and few words, sometimes if wrong words are used, I will have a problem because few words are sensitive. And if you are very pro or what do you call as good speaker, good communicator, even in Hindi, that is required. So sometimes I feel I won't be able to speak much in Hindi because the topic which I speak on requires a very well versed Hindi, not the local what I speak at home. Because at home we even few words comes in between which is grammatically wrong, but we oblige or we spare. Yeah, it's okay. That is our local language. Few words, and being from Mumbai, we have few words or in between that we don't speak complete Hindi. We use certain English words also. And how, what is your background, where you have studied from, and the pattern you have followed, the languages which you have spoken, how good you find in certain language, how easy it is to communicate. That is what is the language about. And few people who find it difficult to understand languages, then they have to go somewhere else. I again landed up on this topic only. I don't know why. Because for many days I have understood few things, that few of them come to show their strength, their powers, and what powers they have in their mind when they start thinking the person other side on the camera is weak, or I should use such sentences, I should use such verbs, I should use such words. See, verbs came, right? So it states, it shows that few are using their brain in such a way, their mind power in such a way that they want to make other people weak who are developing themselves to come ahead and speak on camera. And when I speak something, when I'm slow, that words haunt me, though I have made one video on it, but again the words started haunting, like I should not speak such. How will I handle other people? So few backbiters, they use their mind power in the way, and they want the progressing people, innocent persons, females, not to step ahead, not to come forward. And I was shocked when I'm speaking in a language which is official language, in such a higher language, people coming on my channel and saying, "You're speaking in English. Why don't you speak in Hindi?" I mean, how they know I speak in Hindi? And if you don't understand English, that what he said also, I would like to state, he said, "I don't understand the English." I mean, he's writing in English only, okay, typing, and you're speaking so slow, you're speaking in English. So few things make me think over it, like few people are so intelligent to use their power in such a way that the other person keeps on thinking and the words keeps on haunting. What should I tell this man? What should I tell him? I got a better word today. If you have any problem, please skip the video. But language, if is the barrier, coming here, though your intention, whatever you had, was with you, but when I read the message, I think about the how come this person, when he knows I'm speaking English and he is writing me, "You're speaking in English, you should speak in Hindi." How come? How can you tell this? And that man is now invisible, he's gone. First, his name was something different, like Rahul Agarwal. The first time when he started uploading, okay, some with like or something. Then later on, the next day when I saw a change in his name, he wrote Rahul Ragini Agarwal, and my clear video was on him only. To my shock, I thought I would get people on my channel who will understand, come here to heal them self, and understand how I am teaching, guiding them how to overcome few difficulties, because I understand, I can relate to it, and I am a better person to explain things. And if you don't understand the video, you don't understand the content, how come you got my channel? I am not that even a great celebrity yet. And what you know about me? Do you know what I know about myself? Are you the person from those groups whom I was speaking about? And lately I have understood that few people will come across in such a way, in this way, that suddenly few of them will be calling me and my mind will be blocked. Some will message me, like I gave you the example, and I will be like, their words will keep on prompting inside me, it will haunt me. This is about the powers, the misuse of the powers. It's not about whether I should take it or I have taken it. It's not that I take it, and I would never like to take such cases or comments, but I always speak to God that why such people come who speak such in such way that it remains inside for days, weeks, and he is searching for the answer. He gave me the answer right from where I can learn, and the answer was, tell them if you have any problem, skip the video. And the point behind, the reason behind such answer from him, why? That I had a very peaceful day. First thing, because I got the answer. Secondly, the way I got the answer and the way the answer will go ahead and reach in such a way that my pride will stay as my pride, and the other person whom I may have misunderstood because I had certain emotion at that time. I was in such a whirlpool, my brother, I would tell you. And further ahead, I had many moods, many words inside me that even God requires so much of time to come and give me the answer. There are so many words inside, but the right answer reaches. It takes time. But the initial few seconds, I would like to tell you, I got the answer after 1 or 2 days, and before that, I had already hit that video. I won't remove it. But the difference you can make out is to learn how and who teaches you what, in what sense. That video simply shows the rage and how we speak, directly reacting like some chemicals when it comes out. But it took me 1 2 days to get a perfect answer, to keep my pride and his pride, if he is not to be misunderstood or he is not from a certain clan which I have been told he is, and I have already told his name. I would like to upload this video, and I don't know who he was, but the warning and alerts I got from the clans, they may be from your groups, or that may be from your still some missions, some frauds, some agenda. I have seen many things in my dreams, and I am shocked to understand or to know, which I can't guarantee what I have seen in my dream is true. But because few can make anything, they are not gods. Only God, whatever he shows from his side, is what it always remains the same. He won't change. He won't bring fear. He doesn't change the colors. But people who are showing, and I'm very afraid what the world will come to know what I have seen in my dreams. I'm very much afraid. Feel sorry about everyone. But God is always there with us to keep our identity same. We will be same, but the difference will be we won't have any hatred inside. We won't have any the negativity inside. The slangs, the fights, everything will go away. And what we always want and how we always prayed, we will be such humans with big humanity in us. We can see through the news. Humans are not understanding. Humanity has gone. One human is not understanding the other human. They simply want money. Everything is written. Today I was watching one video where it was written that in our books it's already written that Kalyug will have uh, the pandemics, then there will be the loss of virtues, humanity will be in the loss, and it's been stated. We also have to learn from it, but few things I won't accept, that accept, why I feel like I said accept or accept is when I speak a word I can see a word, but it's totally opposite because it sounds so similar in English. This constraint also is there in English also. And Hindi I'm little weak because if I want to speak such topic in Hindi, I will be more stammering and I don't have any well versed Hindi words. So till I can speak better Hindi for my videos, I would like to clearly state that I can speak Hindi, but it's being a well versed Hindi with a higher version, though I don't know Sanskrit. By that time, I will speak in English in my videos. It's already 18 minutes. I will stop here. Even I feel to make videos in Hindi because I would like my mom also to see my videos, and she also said the same thing, that she do watches my videos but she cannot understand because of the language barrier. And I didn't had anything that day to speak about because I already encountered a message. It's not about I can't take it, it's about there are many to take it first and give a hit. So whatever comes here, have a thoughtful thinking, then only write it to me, because You are going through many filters. It's not me, a single solo person who just simply reads and reacts. There are many. So I don't know from whom you shall face what, and I am not responsible for it. So better be cautious what you have to speak about. I got a message over here, and don't say that I didn't tell you. Okay, with this I end up this video. I know many of them won't understand what I'm speaking about, but very soon people will understand. After or during monsoon season, things will get more clear, and day by day every person on earth will understand what I'm speaking. I'm very much conscious about my hair color. Okay, with this I end this video, and I shall make more videos. Okay then, bye.